Hello everyone, how are you all? I am Dr. Labib from Dr. Labib Academy. This is today's session. We are going to cover with respect to ACCA, EF6, UK taxation, Finance Act 2022, and for this video will be valid till March 2024 exams. So this makes very easy for you to understand. Okay, only till March 2024. Okay, because the Finance Act will change and the new Finance Act will come. Fine. Come back to this. Please, I kindly request you to subscribe to this channel, share this channel, and share this channel among the ACCA aspirants who are planning to write exams in the coming months, in the coming sessions, and offer your comments. That's very important. What you need, where we can improve, and if there is anything that you expect from my side to be more clear, then make it a point. Okay, this is with respect to section C. Okay, you know section C consists of 3 questions, 2 15 marks questions and 1 10 mark question, and basically it comes from income tax, corporation tax, okay, and the capital gain tax. They will give little bit from there, but mostly in this section. Okay, and we will do this slowly in a sequence manner. This is from the Kaplan textbook. Okay, and keep your the most important thing is you keep that form, the rules, the exemption list in front of you whenever you are doing. Is it? The rule says that these are going to be 2 requirements. Is it right? The 2 requirements are the first, as usual, we have to read the requirements. What is required from the question? That's very important. Is that the requirement says explain why Dill was not resident in the United Kingdom. They say very clearly, is that because the moment you read the question, we know what they are expecting. They are saying they are only saying that he is a not resident of UK. Now we have to give the reasons why he is not a resident of UK for the tax year. Tax year 20 is not current. This is the tax year for 21-22, and calculate Dill's taxable income. Okay, for the year 22-23. See, these requirements are very important, especially in taxation paper. Especially the use of zero for the items. Some are not taxable, some are deductible. Is it right? Some are exempted and some are deductible. Wherever it is there, make it a point that you have to put it as against that item, you have to put it as 0. That's the most important thing that need to be taken care of. Fine. Now coming back to this, what is the first requirement is why he is not treated as a non-resident of the United Kingdom. Fine. First we'll complete this. Now up to and including the tax year 2021, Dill was always a resident. Is it? We have that thing. See, we have. I'm not talking about the previously not resident. I was talking about the previously resident. Okay. What are the conditions which you have to take into consideration? Is that now? We have to take into days in UK. Okay, days in UK. Dill was always resident in the UK, being in that UK for more than 300 days in each tax year. She was also a resident in the UK for the tax year 22-23. 22-23 she is a resident. Is a resident. Fine. Next. And 21, 20 in 2021 is a 2021. She is also resident more than 300 days. Is it right? More than 300 means resident. More than 183 days. If you are there, automatically you will become a resident. Dill was overseas during the year 21-22. The issue is here. Is it 2021-22? She was there in UK for how many days? 60 days only in UK. Is it only in UK she was in 60 days, which she spent it. She also had a house overseas for the tax years. Dill did not have any close family, no family ties. Okay, no close family in UK, and did not work in UK, and did not do any work in UK, and was not treated as a working full time. Okay, always residence in UK. She is also resident in for that during Delhi was overseas, including Delhi has a house in the UK. She is having a house. Is it right? If you are, see what are the thing automatically resident in UK, you have to be at least 183 days, which she is not there in the year 2021. She is having a house. Is it only home? She is having house in UK. There is one tie. Is it right? Is spending 60 days and stayed there on the 60 days which she spent in the UK. Is it? And see, this is the one tie. And for the last 3 years, out of 3 years, she has stayed in UK for 2 years, and she is a resident in UK for the 2 of the last 3 years. Okay, this is very much needed. Fine. Now see the things. We have to see what is the condition. I'm just briefing it. Okay, for if you take into consideration the rule between 46 and 90 days, is it right? Between 46 and 90 days, what is the condition? It says that you should have a 3 UK ties or more. Okay, 3 UK ties or more, then only you will come. Now here what's happening? It's only 2 UK ties. What for? The first one is she is having a residence. Is it right? She has, and the second one is she is there for the out of 3 years. She is there for 2 years. Is it right? Last 2 out of 3 years. What is the rule says? Rule says that you should have 3 UK ties or more. Is it right? Now, if this condition is not satisfied, then she is not a resident. Got my point? She doesn't meet the automatic test. Is it? She has 2 UK ties. Is it? She has 2 UK ties. Because of this reason, Dill cannot be treated as, is it right? Cannot be treated as a cannot be treated as a resident in UK. This is the one which you have to mention. When you are mentioning this, you have to mention with a specific reason. You have to give the things that what is they are asking very clearly. What they are asking, explain why Dill was treated as non-resident in the UK for the tax year 2021. In UK for the tax year 2021-22. I will check 2021-22. Yes, fine. Okay, this is the first one. What is the second one? Second one says that you calculate this taxable income for the year. Is that, see, never expect that you will have a straightforward question in the examination. They will definitely ask something which is you know it very well, but at that point of time it should click. Yes, this is the things what a small catch they will give you, and in that catch students will not focus on that. Okay, I will tell you how the tricks of examination also. Okay, how best you have to be very smart. Okay, when you are doing this. During the tax year, Dill paid a gross annual salary of how much? 290,000. Okay, next, fun. What we have to do? Dill's taxable income. They are asking us only taxable income. They are not asking us income tax liability. That's very, very specific. We have to understand. Okay, 22-23. 2022-23. Okay, they are asking us only a taxable income. Now, when you do the things like this, fine. When you are doing this, what is the annual gross salary? Annual gross salary, is it right? And people who are writing examinations, start preparation from right now. Okay, don't be there till the last moment. Is it till the moment exam ends, you start examination for the next one. Is it right? I will upload it on a continuous basis, every day one question. Okay, on the series wise. Now every day you will have a one series, and in between I will put the section A, section B, as well as mock exam also. So I kindly request you to subscribe to this channel, press bell icon so that you will get the notifications the moment I will post the videos. Fine. What is the gross salary? 290. Put pounds here. Okay, very important. These are the small things. Fine. Next, see, when you are doing the taxable income, first thing is annual salary. The second thing is about the pension, employer pension, employee contribution, and employer contribution. Okay, both has to be done. Even it is given in the end. Okay, we have done this. This is over. Okay, one by one we will take. During the tax year, Dill maximum possible tax relievable amount. Money purchase. The company also contributed on Dill. And Dill first became a member of personal pension scheme for the tax year and unused allowance of how much? 19,000. Is it right? Now, if it is 19,000, see the pension scheme limits. Okay, pension scheme limits in that paper which has been given as a rules. Okay, how much is the annual allowance? 40,000 pounds. Minimum allowance is how much? 4,000. Threshold income limit is 200,000. Income limit is 240,000. And what is the lifetime allowance? 1073. The maximum contribution which can qualify for tax relief without any earnings is 3,600. Fine. What is the amount which has been brought forward? The brought forward amount is how much? 19,000. I will do this here only. Okay, I will do this here only. Fine. Now I will put it as a working one. Okay. Okay. Next, What is the how much is the maximum an employee can contribute? Okay, maximum an employee can be contribute is with respect to how much is the brought forward annual unused annual allowance. Is that what they have said? They have said brought unused annual allowance is how much? Brought forward unused annual allowance. Is it unused annual allowance is how much? 19,000. How much he can? How much would it has been given? Minimum allowance. Okay, current year annual allowance. How much? Current year annual allowance. How much it can be done? It comes to how much? 4,000. It is given in the rule book. Minimum allowance. Is it right? Minimum allowance. It comes to how much? It comes to 23,000. Now, what is the employer contribution less employer contribution? How much employer's contribution? Employer's contribution is 9,000. Is it right? How much is the employer contribution? The company also contributed how much? 9,000 less 9,000. Is it? It comes to how much? It comes to 14,000. Right? It comes to how much? 14,000. Is it? This is the occupational. This is the occupational pension contribution. Which can be deducted. Okay, it is deducted. Fine, good. Next one. That's okay. Point number 9 is done. Second, employer contribution is there. Is that employer contribution? Employer contribution. How much employer contribution? How much we are going to put it? Employer contribution always be 0. Okay, always. Is it? By the time you will do so many questions, you can get adapted to this. Okay, employer contribution is how much? 0. Now, right? Next, what they say, in addition to her salary, Dill has also been paid the bonus. How much bonus is there? See, date of payment 22 December, date of payment 23. Okay, date of entitlement it is 22 November. Entitlement is 23 1st March. In respect of 4 months ended, 22 and 23. It comes in that assessment year 22-23. Fine. How much is their bonus? Bonus is how much? Bonus is 16,200 plus 29,300. See the video till the end. You will really have a good understanding. Is it? How much is there? It comes to 45,500. Next. Okay, this is also over. Throughout the tax year, Dill used herbal company gym, which is open to employees of the company. Okay, which is open to the employees of company. And the cost of the herb of providing the benefit is how much? See, if it is provided to employ all the employees, it is exempted. Okay, it is exempted. Fine. Now, what you have to write? Company gym. How much? 0. Next, home entertainment. Is it right? Home entertainment. How much is there? Throughout the year, the help provided Dill with the home entertainment for personal use. The home entertainment is how much? It is taxable to the extent of 20%. Fine. It is taxable home entertainment. Is it? How much is there? 5,900 times 20%. 1,180. Next, this is over. Okay, this is over, and this is also over. During the tax year, Dill's 3-year-old son was provided with a workplace with a place at her workplace nursery. Is right? The total, if it is provided by the workplace nursery, it is exempted. Okay, workplace nursery. Put it as 0. Okay, put it as 0. Next. Fine. It's, see, only thing is you have to think about the pension. Okay, pension is very critical. People will not take that 4,000s. Okay. Now coming to the next one, they have an interest-free loan. Is that what is the interest rate? 10,000 maximum. Okay, 10,000 maximum. Over and above 10,000, it has to be 2%. Okay, taxable. When they say that there is an interest of 1st January 2022. Her provided the interest which she is used to renovate her home, no repayment was. Now from 1st June, is that 1st June till April, how much? June, July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March, April. March, okay. We have to take how many? 10 months, is it right? 10 months. Beneficial loan. How much? 80,000. See, 10,000 is the maximum amount. Okay, that's you have to be very clear. Times 2% times how many months? 10 months. Okay, it comes to how much? It comes to 1,333. Fine. Next, on 25th January, they have paid a health club membership fee for the benefit of Dill. Is it? That is for specific benefit of Dill. Okay, it is taxable. Health club membership. If it is for all the employees, it is not taxable. Is it? If it is for specific employees, it's taxable. 990. Okay. Next, during the tax year, during the tax year, Dill was paid as a private car for both private and business journey. The total mileage driven is how much? 6,000 with a mileage of how much? 25. They are paying how much? 25. However, only 14,500 miles were in performance of the business for duties. Okay. Here only I will write. I will not take other point as such. Okay, I will just work out on this. Okay, mileage allowance. Mileage allowance. Is it? No. How much? So, see how much. What is the for first 10,000 miles 45 pence, and for the next it is 25 pence. She is eligible for that. Okay. Approved mileage allowance. Approved mileage allowance. 10,000. First 10,000 at the rate of how much? 45 pence. It comes to how much? 4,500. For the next, how much? Total miles are how much? Total miles are 14,500. Okay. Total of means for the next 4,525. It comes to how much? 1,125. Fine, 1,125. Now, how much mileage allowance is received Is it how much mileage? Less mileage allowance received. How much? 16,000 times 25. Okay. This will be how much? This will be 5265. Okay. How much they are receiving? They are receiving how much? They are receiving 4,000. Is it right? How much? 4,000. It comes to how much? 1625. Is it right? Mileage allowance. How much? 1625. Okay. That's all. Okay. How much it will come? Is it 290 minus 14,000 plus 45,500 plus 1180 plus 1333 plus 990. Minus 1625. Okay, minus 1625. It comes to how much? It comes to 323,378. Next. Okay, till now it's done. Now, any doubts are there? Just put it in the comment section. Okay, hopefully will not have. Right. Next, what they say. Now come to this one. Self-employed. For the tax year 22-23, they have a self-employed business made a trading loss. How much they got a trading loss? 58,000. Fine. 58,000. We'll see this. And she claim relief against her total income. Right. On 1st November, Dill received a premium bond price is exempted. Fine. Premium bond price is exempted. Premium bond price related to bonds. Okay. How much is the 0? Next. On 28th Feb, they'll receive the interest from savings certificates, national savings and investment. Is it right? National savings and investment. It is exempted. Interest on national savings. Okay, national savings and investment. How much? You have to put 0. Okay, it comes to how much? 323,378. This is going to be identified as total income. Is it right? From this total income, what we have to do? We have to less. Is it? We have to less loss relief. How much is the loss relief? 58,000. Is it right? How much is the loss relief? 58,000. It comes to how much? 378, 13. Is it? It comes to 5, 6, 265. Is it right? Now, is that because the income is exceeding, because the where is that? Because the income is exceeding 125, 140, the personal allowance will be 0. Okay, the result, because the income is increasing, adjusted net income is more than 125, 140. But you have to write personal allowance. Is it right? So see, each step count marks. Okay, personal allowance is how much? 0. How much is the 265,378. This is going to be called as a taxable income. Are you clear about this? Means first we have done with respect to the citizen resident of UK, and then we have calculated taxable. Very clearly it has to be make it a point. It is little bit sensitive, okay? This is what it says, this one, where this calculation is very specific, okay? Our occupational pension contribution of 14,000, this working, okay? Hope you have got that idea how we have to do. Fine. This is the one which we are going to work out with that question. Thank you so much. Let's see in the next session. Thank you.